Rita ria mbere historia ya Afrika, igoti niriteanirie maumirira ma githurano kia upresident. Ari cira uria uratwaritwo igoti-ini ni atongoria a NASA Raila Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka. Igoti rigiukirira kamiti ya ithurano rikiuga ndiatabanirie githurano na njira igwete.
That taking the totality of the entire exercise, we were satisfied that the election was not conducted in accordance with the dictates of the Constitution.
Na ona mai matathirite muju, atongoria a NASA moiga matire na mwihoko na kamiti ya IEBC iria itongoragio ni Wafula Chebukati.
Before we can have a proper and free election, that commission must be looked into, and for proper elections to be held. I don't think that we will have that commission running the elections again.
The court said clearly and directed IEBC to do the election, the rerun in 60 days. That means this is only an institution that is going to run the election in 60 days. No other institution.
Maugete ati ni undu wa itua ria igoti ni makuoya ikinya ria kiwatho hari kamiti yo na atongoria yo.
We are now going to pursue those people who committed irregularities, illegalities. They cannot hold another election again in this country. Chebukati and his ilk must be punished.
The Commission invites the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution to urgently and expeditiously investigate and prosecute any of our staff that may have been involved in violation of the Election Offences Act.
Ikinya riri rikimurikwo muno ni tondu no nginyagia githurano gikwo kwa ihinda ria mieri iri iroka.
To protect the integrity of the sovereign will of the Kenyan people, the Commission intends to make internal changes to our personnel and processes as we prepare for the fresh presidential election in 60 days.
Ihinda-ini ria thiku 60 no nginyagia IEBC igure maratathi ma kura cia upresident na tondu ni githurano kieru gutire mundu utangirugamia uri na mito ya gutuika president. Kwa ihinda riri President Kenyatta aguthie na mbere na gutungata nginyagia riria mihitwa ikoywo yorio kahotana githurano-ini kia mweri wa 11.
The Commission is aware of the limited time to conduct a fresh presidential election in strict adherence to the Constitution and the relevant electoral laws. We urge the Supreme Court to issue the full judgment expeditiously to allow us to have a full understanding of the areas of focus as we prepare a timetable for the fresh presidential election, which we'll publish in the coming days.
Githurano-ini kihituku IEBC yaniriire ati President Uhuru Kenyatta niwe watongoririe na gicunji kia 54 gia kura iria ciikitio aimetwo thutha ni Raila Odinga na gicunji kia 45. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.